in this week's video, I want to show you guys a completely different home decor haul. Guys, it's an interesting one. If you want to update your space with zero money, please stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for joining me. So in today's video guys, I want to show you my DIY decor haul. I've completely transformed my home just by simply making things out of anything that I basically had at home, like cell phone boxes, like chopsticks, DIYs that I did over the past week that have completely upgraded my home. I know we are still on lockdown, so that means we can't really go to shops and purchase home decor products or home decor items that can upgrade our home. But I thought, why not upgrade my home by using my own ideas and my own imagination on how I want my home to be. So yeah, I took this opportunity and I did a whole lot of DIY decor items that you guys are absolutely gonna love. So basically I just want to show you certain things that I created over the past week that I think you guys are going to love. So let's start over this side. We have this art sculpture that I really love, you guys. I made this out of a cell phone box and foam that comes from like when you bought a TV or like a fridge or something like that, and chopsticks. This looks amazing. I really love how it looks, you guys. So this is one of my best, I think, for now, because these sculptures guys go for like 200 rands, 300 rands. You can paint it in any way. I'm still gonna upload videos on how exactly I did this, instructions on how I did it, so you guys please stay tuned. So this is how this looks and I think it looks really adorable. So the second item on my list, you guys, I have is this a vase. This vase actually was red, as you can see, and I've actually transformed it by painting it black, and it looks really nice and it fits my house really well. And I've paired it up with this eucalyptus plant, and I think this is absolutely incredible, you guys. It looks absolutely beautiful. So let me move on. So the next item, guys, that is my favorite at the moment is this vase and planter, guys. This I completely transformed, and this plant stand I made myself. So this is how it looks, and guys, this is incredible. I really love how this looks. It looks amazing. I had leftover wood and I basically used that wood to make this. I'll show you guys everything on the videos that I will upload. They have all the instructions on how you guys can actually make yourselves one of these. So with the vase was staying outside and it was dull and I didn't like it anymore. So I basically just upcycled it and painted it black and gold, which fits my theme very well for the home. And yeah, so this goes on like this, and I have my plant over here and my plant goes in, and this looks absolutely beautiful, you guys. I'm sure you can agree with me. For absolutely 0 rands, this. And then moving on, you guys, is another sculpture that has been making the rounds on social media, on house and home magazines. I've been seeing a lot of these round sculptures. They actually selling one at, I think, Sheet Street. It was 300 rands when I checked. I really love these, guys. This you can simply make out of a cell phone box as well, and chopsticks and straws. And I had this mirror and I just took out the mirror inside and I used the frame. This looks amazing, you guys. These are absolutely beautiful and it definitely transformed my space. And I used 0 rands again to make this. I just had the supplies at home and I didn't need to go buy the supplies. I mean, you don't need to go buy a cell phone box. You already have a cell phone box, you guys. So yeah, this is another one. I really love this. This is guys, it's beautiful. Other thing that I wanted to make, guys, that I've been seeing really trending on home decor are abstract art pieces. So it doesn't matter what type of abstract art. So I made these out of the leftover wood from the planter that I had, and I also made this one from foam, from leftover foam from this one, and sticks, and basically just glued them on and painted them gold. And guys, when I put these anywhere in the home, they look absolutely incredible, absolutely gorgeous. So I love how they look. So yeah, this is another way you can upscale your home, by using abstract art. This cannot be defined. It's a spiky thingy, what, but it's nice. It looks really nice when you decorate with it. So those are some of the ideas. And the other thing, you guys, is I upscaled is this pineapple vase thingy. It's small, but it looks really nice. It actually broke at the top, yeah, but I still use it. The color was rose gold, but I don't like rose gold anymore, and I thought I should use this one. And yeah, I just upscaled it and I just painted it gold, and now it looks really nice, and I can use it anywhere in my home. So I'm really excited about that. So moving on, you guys, those are some of the things that I did. I wanted to show you this vase as well. This vase, I've had it, yo guys, for the longest time. I think it was one of the first things I bought when I had my own place. And now these type of vases are back in style, because I bought it like 6 years ago, and I had just been using it as like a flower, whatnot. But now it's a really nice decor piece, because I can pair it up with, you know, things like these, and they look absolutely beautiful. I can pair it up with things like these, you know. This looks absolutely beautiful together, and I'm so in love with the gold aesthetic right now. I bought this vase at Pip Home for like 24 rand, 25 rand. When I bought this vase, it was just clear, so I trimmed it with a gold trim, again like these ones. And my idea, right, because I don't like it just sitting like this, I have this old candle holder, and I thought if I can just stick it on here and make a really luxurious candle holder vase type of thing. I don't know what you guys think. Please let me know if you think it's pretty. I think it's gorgeous. I might just go with it, but you know, I just wanted to show you guys before I actually do it. So this is how it looks. Let me show you once more. So this is how it would look, you know. So I think this is really nice. So guys, I've totally transformed my home with just minimal stuff that I had. Remember my knife set that was silver? I've actually just painted it gold as well, just to fit the whole transformation of the gold accents in my home. So another thing that I wanted to show you that's completely transformed is this fruit basket. It was silver, and I didn't like the silver anymore because it didn't really speak to me. So I painted it gold, and I think it looks really nice. So another thing with glass, guys, that I did in my home is try and really give it an elegant look and a really sophisticated look. So this is a vase that was just plain glass, and I trimmed it with a gold trim. If you guys can see this, I just gave it a gold trim so that, I mean, I can use it as an accent piece as well. I don't have to use it as a vase all the time where I have to put something in it. It has totally transformed my space. So these items, guys, have made my space look different, you know. And the last thing that has made my space look even more different is this plant. I got this plant when we were doing grocery shopping. I got it for like 60 rand. This is really nice, and it was a bit smaller. It was a bit there's actually 3 leaves that have popped out since then, so I'm really excited that it's growing and it's come home. So I'm really excited. So if you guys want to upscale your space and make it look really luxurious, please guys, try these out and let me know what you think. My advantage is that I had paint, and I maximized the paint. The paint that I used is called Dala paint. It's craft paint. I got it at Westpac stores. So if you want paint, go to Westpac stores. You can just Google it and check where your nearest Westpac store is. Yeah, I'm not sure if they're selling paint right now on lockdown, maybe they will, because it's craft paint and kids need craft paint. But yeah, definitely try upgrading your home using 0 rands, guys. Definitely worth the try, and I'm so impressed. So guys, there was absolutely no money used in upscaling or transforming these decor pieces. Everything that I had in my home I basically used, and I want you guys to try it out. Let me know how it works. As you can accessorize with paint quite a lot, so that's my tip for you for today. Accessorize with paint, guys. Get yourself some paint and go wild, you know. Don't go too wild, but you know, definitely experiment with paint in your home. It's a good accessory. So yeah, that's basically what I wanted to show you guys. And if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, guys. I will definitely upload all the videos for these DIYs and complete instructions on how I actually went about them. There's still a lot more DIYs I want to do. I'll show you guys, because I want to transform my whole house. So if you have enjoyed this video, guys, please give it a big thumbs up, and also remember to subscribe to the channel and become a family member. And for the OGs, I see you guys. I see your notification gang. Thank you so much for always loving my videos and loving my content. I mean, guys, I do this all for you and my love of home decor. I'm sure by now you know how much I love home decor. It's the only thing I think of. No, it's not the only thing I think about. Like, okay, but anyways, I'll see you guys later.